I do hope to be able to make definitive announcements about opening up in metropolitan Melbourne in a couple of days' time. We'll keep people updated today, tomorrow, and those test results will come back, and hopefully what they will show us is not just some additional cases, and there's bound to be a few in that mix, but that those cases are linked and that we know that there is a chain of transmission and we have our arms around those people and they're not spreading it to anybody else. You've heard me say many, many times that numbers, when they're this low, become less important than the narrative and the story that sits behind them. If we can link these cases, then we know that we have control of these cases. If they are random, if they are not linked to each other, if they're mysteries, then that would be a real cause of concern. We are hopeful, more than that in fact, we're confident that we have found many linkages. There may be others, and there may be other cases that come forward as a result of those tests that are in the labs right now. I know it's very frustrating. I know people were very keen to have a very long and detailed list of changes to the rules. It is not appropriate for us to do that now. It will be in the next couple of days, and we will not be, I don't think, really in any meaningful way behind the schedule that we'd already set. Today I was to announce some things that would come into effect on Wednesday. We just need to wait for these important swabs to be processed in the labs just to rule out that there is widespread community transmission in the northern suburbs. It is a cautious approach. I know it'll be frustrating for people, but we've all come so far, we've all done so much, we've all achieved so much. Now's not the time to let our frustration get the better of us. Let's wait for these results. They will come through. The public health team are doing an amazing job, and they're all working very hard. Testing was going on, door knocking was going on until very late into the night last night, and it was a long night and a very early start this morning, and it is just not safe at this stage to make these announcements today. We'll make them very soon, pending the results of those tests. I can, however, make some important announcements for regional Victoria, and I'll just run you through those now. I think you have all the detail, but I'll just run you through those now. So from 11:59 p.m. Tuesday the 27th of October, gyms and fitness studios will be able to open in regional Victoria, a maximum of 20 people, a maximum of 10 people per space, a density of 1 person per 8 square metres. In terms of faith gatherings, religious gatherings, again on the same timeline, midnight Tuesday, indoors a maximum of 20 people plus 1 faith leader, outdoors maximum of 50 people plus 1 faith leader. Outdoor funerals will increase to 50 mourners. Indoor community sport, so non-contact sport for those under 18, and sports capable of 1.5 metre distancing. Those changes come into effect as well. Indoor pools will open for all ages up to a maximum of 20 people as well. Just finally, everyone would obviously be aware of events in Shepparton over recent times and the amazing response that our public health team, together with the people of Shepparton and the Golden Valley, the amazing work they were able to do, based on all those test results coming through, based on the fact that we haven't seen any new cases and the community's done such an amazing job up there in Shep. I can confirm that from 11:59 p.m. tonight, Greater Shepparton will also come into alignment with the rest of regional Victoria, with hospitality venues moving to up to 40 people inside.